So where are we at?
London.
All right, well, cheerio from jolly old England. We are gonna be in London for the next few days. And right behind me is the Borough Market. And we're on our way, headed to the Shakespeare's Globe. Today is Sunday. We got in on Saturday. All we did was go and eat, and then we were pretty tired from the travel day. It was a long travel day from Frankfurt. But Sunday, there's like nobody out right now. Hardly anybody walking around. Sunday morning, getting ready to go to Shakespeare's Globe, the Globe Theater. Take a little tour on that, and then get some lunch at the Borough Market.
Finished our tour at the Globe Theater. It was really cool. We highly recommend it, and probably watching a show there too would be really cool, but we don't have the opportunity to while we're here. So now we're headed to the Borough Market to grab some lunch and hopefully have a duck confit sandwich
and fish sticks.
Fish and chips. Oh.
So we weren't able to film in the Globe Theater. You could only take pictures, but it was really cool. So we had a good time. I highly suggest that. It's not as old as I thought it was, so maybe we'll get to see the old remains of the other one. Now we're gonna head into the Borough Market. That's good.
How did I not get that one?
Lemon one? How much is that?
25 pounds for
Four.
6 donuts.
6 donuts.
That's so expensive.
The bread ahead.
That was what, like $32, $33.
So we just went to the Borough Market, and now we're getting ready to go over the London Bridge, and I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but it literally plays "The London Bridge is Falling Down." Let's go for it. And now we're going over the London Bridge. What a London gift shop looks like. So welcome to the Tower of London. That was the famous Trader's King's Gate, where they brought Queen Elizabeth I in. Look at them all right there.
Oh yeah. I think what's in there then?
Ravens, that's where they keep them. We are going into the White Tower now.
Like one that you can actually see. I mean, at least you had a window. The White Tower. It was okay, a little long. Had all the weapons and stuff like that in there. Not too bad though. Long day here. So this is the Tower Bridge. Tower of London, right? Tower Bridge.
Tower Bridge. And that is the Tower Bridge. I thought the Globe Theater was fun.
I like the Globe.
Great Fire.
That was fun. That was fun. I wish we could have watched the show.
I wish we would have seen a play, because either way it still would have been a cool play to watch in there.
Yeah.
What did we think about the Tower of London? The Tower of London? Or the London Tower? Yeah,
the Tower of London.
So the Tower of London was the old prison and the old castle that we went into.
It was really cool to see the crown jewels.
Crown
That's
jewels.
the best part.
Hold on, drinks are here.
The strawberry duck it is for
For me, yes. The manly man of the group.
Very manly drink. Is it perfect?
Thank you.
That's nice with those strawberries.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
And can some blueberry drink. Enjoy your
Prosecco.
drinks.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Look at this. You see that? It's like crystal.
Yeah.
Super fancy. That's good.
Okay, back to the Tower of London. What did we think? Oh, and we got nachos
Yes,
now.
thank you.
And
Day one in the books. We just finished dinner at Time. Something Time. It was across the walkway from where we ate dinner last night. Really good, really expensive. That was rough, but good. Day 1 in the books. We saw Tower of London, Tower Bridge. We toured Shakespeare's Globe. Mastered the Tube, but it's kind of easy when you if you've gone to other metros and whatnot. Tomorrow, go on a walking tour. Go see Buckingham Palace. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, is that right? Shakespeare's Globe. If we can find it.
That's what you get. You almost tripped for giving me shit.
In your videotaping, Mom, you said that.
Oh, we can bleep it out.
What did we think about the Globe Theater today?
She's thrilled about it.
Apparently.
Right. No.
Apparently both of you are.